Last night was the first time I had more than 4 hours sleep. I had about 7 hours, so I feel fantastic. Window's pretty dirty, but we're gonna go down there to the pool, check it out. Let's go have a swim.
Yeah,
How you going?
I would go like more like 60%.
Every time they play music, I can't put sound, otherwise YouTube's gonna ban the video. G'day buddy, do you do coffees here mate?
Negative.
Okay, where can I get a coffee? Back inside?
Yeah, go back inside.
Yeah. So the security said if I buy a coffee I can't take it back out to the pool area. They said a lot of people tend to spike their coffee with alcohol. Alright, there's a Starbucks. That's us. I'm gonna grab a takeaway coffee or something. Yeah, just there. I might have a look. Are the menus up there anyway? Okay, thanks. I think that's gonna take a long time. Let's go find another place. Sit down, have a rest, and then I'm going in for a swim. You know me by now. Gotta have a swim. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm not into gambling. I just leave a note in the comments. What do you think about gambling? But for me, I mean, especially poker. I mean, it's poker and blackjack and all that. I can sort of understand maybe, but poker machines, I don't get it. Just sitting there and I can't even work it out. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like, because at this rate of growth, sorry that I take so long to post videos, but life's busy and it's hard to edit those things. Fact is, the way I'm going, it'll be 2036 before I get to 1,000 subscribers. So tell your friends, please. Let's build this channel. We're going for 1 million followers, don't forget. We'll get there. Besides, you're going to witness the most incredible transformation. Amazing things are going to happen. You watch. They're already started. All right, this looks good. Let's go here. Hello, brother. Do you do coffee, man?
No coffee, bro.
You don't do coffee? Where can I?
If you go to the main bar, right there.
Over there, they do coffee? Price is okay?
Yeah, $6.
Hey?
$6.
That's what I'm saying. You see what I mean? It's painful these days. What happened, man? Can I come and drink it here?
I know, we don't have coffee here, bro.
Can I bring mine and take away and sit here? Okay. Hey, say hello to my YouTube, my friend. What's your name?
Pepe.
Pepe. Oh, I love that name. Jefferson. Nice to meet you, man. Oh, thank you, Pepe. All right, so you see what I mean? $6. Now, with the friendly Australian dollar that is basically lost all of its value, what are we talking? We're talking like $8 for a coffee. Hey, yeah. I'm feeling for people out there. G'day, money. I just want to get like a, do you do, what type of coffee? Latte?
Only a regular coffee. If you want Starbucks,
Regular is okay. Yes, thank you. Not the happiest of campers, this one. When it's all about money, there's no love. This guy's about as happy as when I jam my thumb in the door. He looks so... Anyway, sure we get a smile. Thank you, sir. Did you make it with love? Did you make it? Of course, he made it with love. We're happy about that. God wants to kill me. No, God bless him. Doing all right. I tell you what, interesting, in the US, they've still got these ones and twos and dimes and our pockets full of change. Look at that, the whole bar is just full of poker machines. Like, there's hardly any room to put your drink on. Look at this, you can play straight off. And we need one more sugar, I think. One more. Happy! Happy is okay? I can sit. Thank you, sir. Great swim. That looks good. If I look hot, that's because I am. It's about 158,000 degrees outside. I'm inside Caesar's Palace. We'll go have a look around. It looks very busy. I think I better get a drink.
If you put an you know better than anybody else now.
Look at this place. You want some URINE? Sour liquid candy. Bear Grylls would love it. That'll do. Let's go with sour worm. That's good. Malaysia, here we go. Only a 14.5 hour flight to Dakar.